My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. I've worked about, 10,000 cases. I've been doing this for about 50 years. You can tell by my gray hair. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, and they're to the point. Most of my YouTubes are informational and educational. This one will not be. I've been in practice all these years, and the most important thing that I do as a business person, I am a Christian businessman, and I've been dealing in IRS debt, like I said, since 1973. I've been in this vertical a long, long time, and I see a lot of people say they're Christians, they do this, they have biblical beliefs, they do this and this and that, but really their actions really do not reflect that. So what I'm just here today to do, simply to tell you one thing, and it is a little more promotional revenue service. I used to, when I worked there, I do offers and compromise, payment agreements, settlements. I do everything. There's nothing we don't do. Our firm covers everything from an IRS notice and letter actually to going to tax court. The very first thing we do is we look at your case. We don't charge you. We give you a free evaluation, a consultation, and then we decide and explain to you what we're going to do. My job as a Christian businessman, if you're dealing with an IRS debt or issue, is to explain the problem to you and explain the different options for you to go ahead and make a decision on how to go ahead and remedy the problem you have. As a Christian, I know you've been living in bondage with this because I hear testimony after testimony and the tears and tears of people. And I don't want this to get too melodramatic, but they do. They've lived in drama, and actually when they tell me, there's a sense of relief. So at the end of the day, if you can figure out your own problem and I can give you answers, you can work that case yourself. I really don't care. Your money does not bless me, but the Lord's money always does. So if you have a question, you have a problem, you can leave a comment to me. You will be given biblical information. I pray with my clients. So if you have any sort of problem, you're welcome just to get a hold of me. But you will get oh, by the way, I've been to seminary, just so you know. Not that that means anything, but I like to just tell people I have because I learned so much about God's Word. Anyway, thank you very much for listening. I'm sorry this is not as educational, but I put myself out there because there's a lot of people doing this work today that really don't give a crap about you, your money problem. They don't care whether you live in bondage unless they're getting a check. So anyway, at the end of the day, we have a Christian here. God bless you. By the way, I need a YouTube likes me to have subscriptions. They kind of move you to the top. It's not that I want. If you can give me a subscription or a comment or a like, I would appreciate it. God bless.